Hi, I'm Bobby, and for those of you that are new here, I'm not a natural redhead. Just take a look at those roots, and that will tell you all you need to know. So, anyway, I had some requests for me to do a look with the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I don't remember if they were supposed to be wearable looks, but this isn't. It's really not. So I really hope it ended up being okay, or that you're going out to a party, because this is pretty fun. So I show you guys without the gold liner and with the gold liner, but it's like literally one step. I intended for this video to be high-end and drugstore, and then it turns out literally everything that you're going to see me use on my face today is high-end. So I did a really great job at that. A+. I don't think there's much more to say other than that. I will have all of the products that are currently on my face in the description box below if you're interested in anything that I don't cover in the tutorial. Please excuse my voice. I am still sick and attempting to not die. So, we're just gonna get into it. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully you didn't hate this, because I'm actually pretty happy with it. I think it came out pretty nice. Don't forget to comment down here, give me a thumbs up, and I think, where's the subscribe? Subscribe up here? Down, no. Subscribe is down here, I think. Right? That's down here too. I don't know. Why is this so hard when you're filming? Staring at it and watching other people's videos, you're just like, girl, shouldn't you know by now where it is? But I have no idea. So, see you next time. Okay, so to start off, I have already primed my eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and then I'm just going in with low blow on a really big fluffy brush and blending it all through the crease and bringing it up pretty high towards the brow bone. I really want this color to help diffuse all of the darkness that's going to be in the look later on. And I'm choosing to do this before I've done all my foundation and concealer, because as much as I love this palette and the gorgeous colors in it, it does have an incredible amount of fallout. So then I'm taking Ashes on a flat brush, and I'm going to go on the outer third of my eyelid and on the inner third, so where the inner corner is, and kind of connect it where it is up in the crease. And here, I forget how to stay on camera. Alright, and then I'm just going to go in with En Fuego on that same flat brush and really pack it in to the center of the lid. I'm trying to press the shadow into the lid as much as I can, as opposed to swiping, because I want that pigment there. And then on my fluffy brush, again, I'm taking He Devil, and I'm just keeping that really low in the crease. I'm mostly using this color to just diffuse those two darker colors so it's not any harsh lines. And now I'm just going in with a brand new clean fluffy brush just to clean it up really fast. And then I'm going to take Scorched on a slightly fluffier brush, spritz that with some MAC Fix Plus, and really pack that into the center, because I want that brightness and that gold undertone to be there. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Ember, which is the darkest shimmer color in the palette. I'm kind of going to create a subtle cat eye with that same brush and just pull that darker color out a little bit. It's okay if it's a little bit messy, because we're going to go back in with our two fluffy brushes and really blend out all the colors until everything is seamless. And because we've done this before our foundation, we can always go back and clean anything up that we need to with like a Q-tip and some makeup remover. Okay, and magically my foundation is done. On a pencil brush, I'm just taking a little bit more of Ashes and really smoking out the lower lash line, and then I'm going in with Lumber on a fluffy brush and putting that just in the center of the lower lash line. And for my highlight today, I'm using MAC Nylon. For my liner, I chose to use the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Park Avenue Princess on a liner brush from It Cosmetics that I spritzed down with some Fix Plus. I really liked the addition of this liner. I thought it was just a really cute way to kind of add a little extra to the look while still brightening it up, because it was such a heavy look. Okay, so that was everything. Super fast, super easy, kind of wearable depending on where you work. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was pretty fun to do. Don't forget to comment, like, give me a thumbs up, which is also like, and yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to do that. And you can laugh at my awkwardness. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.